YouTube, and today we're gonna see how crazy dogs, and it's my first video, so, and don't forget to check out Connery's other videos by me, Connery. Now let's talk about, hey, when dogs go nuts. When dogs go nuts, they walk, you need to make sure they're perfect. That's right, they need to be perfect. They gotta be at a good speed, and they gotta be good. Unlike this, but a good thing is they're together. But a bad thing is they're trying to pull me. That's one thing. Whoa! Wow, that's really fast, isn't it? Now, that's an example. Let's get closer. Let's go. That's an example of something called a good behavior award for doing a good job. Now that's how, like if you're a normal dog, you would be honking like that. It's the only way to make sure you fully succeeded, unlike an animal club. Well, get the videos coming soon. Don't forget to check out Connie. So this is Connie from Have a Second.